Don't come here. Back pain, please stand up. That's all. Look around you.
So whoever is standing has got back pain, right?
How many people are standing up? 50%?
Yeah.
You know, I was having a workshop in Cape Town. 90% sort of back pain. 90%, madam.
It's about 65.
Okay. Take a one now, all of
65%.
you. One standing with back pain. Healing one. Heal a condition. And back pain. And rotate. 1, 2, 3. Stop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Keep on doing. When the pain stops, you can sit down. You don't have to say, sir, small God, sir. What, sir? By the side, sir. Don't look there, look here. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3. Clockwise, clockwise.
Count in your mind.
Clockwise.
Count in your mind.
So anti-clockwise, the chakra will fall down.
Stop.
Madam, more. You can do for her, sir. No, you take the one and heal her. You take the one and heal her. No. You give the one back to her.
Seven.
Where's your one?
Take your one. Where's your one?
Give it to her now. Say healing one, heal a condition, my wife's back pain. Start doing. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3. Keep on doing. When pain zero, you sit down. So pain zero, sir. Very good. One man sat down. You don't have to come here. Hey, Amadi. Three left. I want to see. One red, one red. People say good. I can pick another one. Use it properly. It's 500 ranks. Go. 1, 2, 3. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sir, sideways. 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 Yeah. Look at the side. 1, 2, 3. Back me. Then why is the study? Good. See, many of you are sitting down now. Pain is gone. Pain zero, madam? Or you cannot stand? Zero, you cannot stand. Pain zero, you cannot stand. Zero, good. So go back and heal yourself. And make sure the black will don't come back. The black will not to come back, you must read forgiveness. Page number 1, page number 2, page number 3. For a start, do 7 times. For a start, we 3 times today. Hey. For people who have back pain, do 3 times a day.
Still paining,
I saw the road, bounce in the road.
How's your pain? Pain gone or gone?
When the car goes to brake, the driver knows what to do. The one thing behind the car, motorbike is a little worse. But never mind, not many people go motorbike here. All of you having cars, so it's more cushioned and more nice to sit better. Hey, all set down already.
Yeah.
Look around. Look around.
Show it. Everybody sit down. Yeah. All gone.
It's what I'm telling everybody, but I'm not saying
There was like about
God
70% of
forever.
them.
Go back home and heal. But go back home and heal. Like that. So same thing go for any other healing, madam. Knee pain. Where's the woman? Come here, madam. Come here. Both legs are numb. You are the numb leg, isn't it, madam?
Angama. Kal is still not there. No, new one.